Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the outfit of the week and wig of the week preview. So I already uploaded, you'll see what I wore yesterday for Sunday. It's Monday, Memorial Day, so I'm wearing this short set and this tank top. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna go gray or red with this little skirt tomorrow. Then I have this little t-shirt with these little sort of like real capris. They're real cute. I felt like wearing a pair of jeans. They're like capri with the cufflinks. They're real cute. And then I have this real pretty white top with these capris because I have to go to work. So that is the outfits for the week. Looks like we're kind of going orange and red this week. Looks like my theme ended up being, and then if we move over here, yep, so there's the wig that I wore. She's already put away. And so what we have is Renee of Paris Ivana's in Melted Ocean. I didn't go full color on. Then we have this Amazon wig in the middle. It's like an auburn color. Then we have Sensationals Vella Vella. I think it's R.D. Berry or something like that. Then we have Raquel Welch Play It Straight in Glazed Honey Nut. We have Dallas's Dark Brown. And then I have Brooks and Pecan Rooted. And so there are the wigs for the week. All right. That is it. That's the preview for the wigs for the week and the outfits for the week. So I will get this uploaded and posted. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks, and come join me on my adventure this week if you're not subscribed.